Hello and namaste guys, it's me Yogi. In today's video we'll be creating map transition effect using Google Map and After Effects. This effect is heavily inspired by Grand Theft Auto, so let's get started. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It helps my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. At first, open your Google Map and search for the location you want to use. We don't need the labels, so we are going to turn off the labels off. Now center your location and take a screenshot. Zoom out and take another screenshot. Depending upon how close or how far is your location, you can zoom in and out. Now move the map to your next location and take another screenshot. Finally zoom in and take a last screenshot. Now that we have 4 screenshots, we will be using it to make the transition, and go download the map pack from the link in the description. In the pack you will find clouds, planes and the screenshot that I just took, so that you can follow along. Now let's open After Effects. Import the pack and the screenshot into the project. Now make a new composition. I'm going to name it Map Effect. Make it SD and 7 seconds long. Let's drag the first 2 screenshots in the timeline. The zoomed screenshot should be on the top. Now you have to scale them and align them with each other. By doing this, we don't lose quality. Lower the opacity by hitting T in the keyboard. It will help align the screenshot. Now we will link the screenshot with null object. Go to Layer, New and Null Object. Select the layer and link them to null object. This will allow us to move and scale both screenshots by moving and scaling null object. Let's drag another screenshot and attach it with rest by aligning them and linking it with the null object. Now last screenshot, drag it to the timeline, scale it and align it with the rest, and remember to place the zoom screenshot in top. Okay, we have finished attaching the map. Now let's add the effect. First let's center the first location using null object. Now we'll make all the layer 3D and create a new camera. Select all the layer and check this box. This will make the layer 3D. To create the camera, we'll go to Layer, New and New Camera. Click OK. Let's go about a second in camera layer and hit P. This will bring the position. Then make a keyframe. Again scroll about a second, zoom out of the map. Again scroll about half a second and zoom out a little bit more. First part of the animation is finished. Now let's go to the null object, hit P and create new keyframe. We are going to scroll half a second and move the map to the second location. Make sure the second location is in center. We'll also add keyframe to camera layer. Scroll forward about a second and zoom in a little bit more. Then we will scroll about a second and zoom in all the way down so that the screen fills the screenshot. Let's check the animation. We need to add some smoothness to the animation by adding easy ease to some of our keyframe. We will add it to first, 2 in the middle and the last keyframe. The animation is completed. Time to add some clouds. Go to the middle of the timeline and drag the cloud in the timeline. Make the layer 3D and link it with null object. Now let's bring the cloud up high by hitting P and changing the G value. Let's change the scale and position so that it looks random. You can make more clouds by duplicating it. To make it more realistic, we are going to add a plane flying through. Drag the plane to the timeline just like the cloud, make the layer 3D and link it to the null object. Select the layer, hit P, bring it up in the air just under the cloud. Now let's animate the plane to make it look like it's flying. Now finally we will add some motion blurs to all of the layer just like that, and we are finished with the effect. Okay guys, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.